Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be focusing on business, specifically on management tasks. Management tasks. Now, in this video, I will be going through 6 different management tasks. It will just be an introduction, so check out my channel for an in-depth analysis on the management tasks. First one in today's video will be planning. The second will be organizing. The third will be activating. The fourth will be controlling. The fifth will be directing. And finally, risk management. The first management task that we can speak about in today's video is planning. What is planning? It is the process of setting goals and making plans to achieve these goals. Planning is done by managers on all 3 levels of management. This is the top level management, the middle level management, as well as the lower level management. Top management plans for the long-term future of an enterprise. Top management also plans how an enterprise will achieve its overall goals. The middle level management plans for medium-term goals. Middle level management also plans how each department will achieve its goals. In lower level management, they plan for the short term. Lower level management plans for the achievements of operational targets on a daily basis. Next, we can move on to the second management task. This is organizing. Organizing refers to the way in which employees in an enterprise are arranged. This is to carry out plans, responsibilities, and duties. It describes what tasks employees are responsible for. It also describes who employees must report to, as well as from whom orders must be taken. Employees in an enterprise can be organized into different organizational structures. The third management task is activating. Now, what is activating? It means to guide employees through their duties and responsibilities. It involves inspiring employees to achieve the business's goal. The next management task is controlling. It is making sure that tasks are carried out as planned. It involves comparing actual results with the goals set by management. Corrective measure must be taken if there is a difference between actual results and the goals that the business set out to achieve. The next management task is directing. It is ensuring that the business runs smoothly. It involves the establishment of a productive working climate, supervising and making sure that effective communication channels are put in place. The last management task to be discussed today is risk management. Although risk management is not classified as a traditional management task, it remains an important management responsibility. It involves identifying risks and finding strategies to deal with these risks. The following steps are involved: identifying threats or risks from all business environments, determining the extent to which the business is exposed to these threats, evaluating the risk, controlling the risk by minimizing losses, and finally, financing the risk by working possible losses into the budget. That is the end of today's video on management tasks. Thank you so much for joining in and watching. Please like this video if you have enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can comment down below on any of my videos, or you can email me at everydaystudies101@gmail.com. Please share this video with anyone you think it would help. Credits for this presentation template go to SlidesGo. Lastly, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this.